Good morning and welcome back to Brochu's Adventures, and today I am in La Paz, Bolivia, and we are going to be doing the Death Road, or the Yungas Road, which is one of the most dangerous roads in the world, and we're going to be mountain biking it today. You can kind of see behind me we've got a few people. I think our group is 12 today, and we just meet here at Higher Ground, which is a cool little cafe, and it's about an hour bus ride to where we start our bike tour this morning. So it's about 10:45 in the morning, and we just made it to La Cumbre, which is where we're going to start our journey downhill today. He said there's really only about 6 minutes of actual pedaling because most of it is altitude change from the top to the bottom. We're given jackets and pants for a little bit of protection, and the fact that it's going to be colder up here. By the time we get down to the bottom, it should be shorts and t-shirt weather, so I'm excited. Let's do this.
We have our own ceremony and offering we do before we start. It's an offering to Pachamama. Anyone know what this is? It's 96% alcohol. Bolivian holy water, as we call it. Yeah, you get the term. So what we do is we're going to go around the circle. We're all going to offer something to Pachamama. So pour a little bit on the ground for Pachamama, pour a little bit on our front wheel. We'll repeat Pachamama, keep us safe, and then touch it to your lips. Or if you're feeling a little bit nervous, need some liquid courage, a little bit cold, need some heat, or just like the taste of 96% alcohol, time yourself.
Pachamama, keep us safe. Pachamama, keep us safe.
Yeah, okay. Keep safe.
So we've now stopped off here about, 5-10 minutes into the ride to get this beautiful view here and get some really cool pictures behind me on that little rock right there. So again, we've come to another checkpoint here on the road, and this one we're packing up our bikes onto the top of the bus here, and we're going to go a little ways until we actually get to the Death Road, which is the gravel portion. This is just a anti-drug checkpoint, I believe, where they check every vehicle and everything for drugs and cocaine and stuff coming through this area. Well, now we've switched into a little bit different climate. It's pretty cloudy up here, and it's still a little cool, but by the time we're at the bottom, it will be much warmer, so we've already taken off a layer. And this is the official start to the Yungas Road, or the Death Road. The other stuff was just kind of a filler to get here. From here on out, we will be riding on mostly gravel on the world's most dangerous road. Yet another stop in this beautiful landscape. We just stopped for some chocolate and Coca-Cola, and to strip off a few more layers because it is starting to get really hot and sort of jungly down here. Alright, so we finally finished the death road. It was an awesome experience, and it doesn't look like anybody got hurt, so that's awesome. The ceremony at the beginning with a little bit of alcohol at the Pachamama seemed to work, but now I'm headed to do some ziplining over the valley before we head back tonight. We have chosen to go in the Superman style, laying down with our hands sprawled out, with our bellies literally facing the valley, so I'm kind of scared about that, but I'm going to do it anyway. Alright, as you can see, they're hooking me up to the line right now. I'm getting ready. Alright. That's why I'm in the wind. That's where you'll find me. I'm in the wind. Long, long gone. A new day begins when nothing binds me. Alright, so this is number 2. This goes 85 kilometers an hour. This is the fastest one they have here, I think. I'm letting go of all that's ever been. I'm in the wind. Oh yeah. It might seem bold, headless and careless, heading out in the cold with no direction. That life puts all the best things on the other side of it. And that's why I'm in the wind. You know I'm long, 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 yeah. Every day like a new day begins. Where nothing binds me, nothing binds me. Letting go of all that's ever been. I'm in the wind. Thank you for watching Brochure's Adventures. If you like this content and would like to see more, please consider clicking and subscribing below. Also, if you'd like to see more videos from around the world, click the links over here. Happy New Year, and I hope your 2019 is full of travel and adventure. Face your fears and say yes to adventure.